install wood vents on your Sherpa. Now when you get the Sherpa, when you buy a Sherpa, it comes like this with this stupid little holder for the magnet. So what it does is basically pulls the magnet in. Now I've got this one 3D printed. That was me test fitting it and overshot the screw, but that's fine. I've got the wood vents actually 3D printed. I'll try to put the link where I get it from. It's fast shipping, good guy, good service. What it does, it replaces these stupid little bumps and makes your Sherpa look a bit more realistic or scaled. And it actually has the screw hole in the bottom. So I'll show you how I've installed this one using the screw, and still be able to retain the screw and the magnet. Quick and simple. Yeah, first you need to remove. I've forgotten already to loosen this. I need to remove that. Check that one side. Remove. Oh my gosh. Struggling. Magnet. Yep. What I did was just a simple, oh my gosh, magnets, let me look. Okay, so what I did next is a simple trick. If you guys got any of these rubber washers, they mostly use them on body pins. It doesn't have body pins, but mostly use it on body pins. What I did was to put one of these as a washer over the screw. Oops, easy. Trying to do this with one hand is hard. Yep. And it gives us that much of a clearance. And then pause that, pop that in, and then the wood vents just screws, it just screws right in the wood vents. Because this is only one screw, you don't really need to put glue on it. Just be careful not to tighten it too much, as you're gonna overshot the screw and do that like mine, which is, I find no problem with that anyways. It still looks good from a far distance. Yeah, so now I've popped the in place, and that's the screw that comes up. Now because there's a rubber washer on it, the more you tighten it, the more it pushes in, which is good, as this thing has already, it will cut groove inside the wood vents, and the wood vents then would act as a anchor for the screw, which will actually hold it in place for the body, which is good because the screw is actually cut grooves inside this, which is very good. So let me just quickly put that in. Let me try and do this on camera for you guys. Let's push that in. Keep your finger on it. Get that. Like that. It slots perfectly. The screw hole is perfectly aligned. Find that magnet. That's it. Yeah. Quiet. That's it. Second one in. Perfect. That's it. There's a wide angle lens. That's what it looks like. Yep. That's it. Perfect fits. Let's do a stand up. And that's the channel, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. RC Neil. more tips and tricks. Nice. Oh, that thing looks so much better. So much better. These are made from pawn shop. These are for the pawn shop. Pawn shop. Paying some pawn shop. All this stuff so that from the pawn shop. I made them myself though, so I might be doing a video on how to do these tips and tricks, scale up and stuff. All from the pawn shop. Don't need to go on eBay or Amazon and get expensive stuff. And that's it, guys. Install the wood vents on your as an Absima Sherpa.